I think how it works is, it makes the food sit longer in your gut para hindi ka gutom.
Yuck, but wouldn't that rot there?
Pero yun nga there was a point when I was doing Ozempic na, nagsusuka na ako, and I would like vomit, chunks of my food.
Like a dog. You're like a dog barfing.
Yeah, it was so bad. Kaya sabi ko parang, is this even worth it? Alam mo yun? It's hard. Ang dami kong kasi, side effects Sa akin talaga,
Some
ramdam na
people,
ramdam ko.
it works for them. Pero may iba din talaga na hindi, it doesn't work.
Yeah, so feeling ko talaga the Lord just wants me to get off my lazy ass.
Yeah,
and start walking again. Because it's easy kung meron kang ganong suppressant. Ang lupit niyang suppressant
not to eat.
Yeah, you can go full day, no hunger.
Pero hindi ka nahihilo.
Yun na lang yung magiging signal mo na kailangan mo ng kumain. Pero yung gutom, wala
Oh.
Zero hunger pangs, wala.
Hindi mag-fasting ka na lang.
Ayun nga, pero ito kasi, automatic.